Hey, what's up? I'm Peter from Media65 and welcome back to my channel. A lot of people want to vlog with their iPhone 17 Pro, and while the iPhone 17 Pro is an absolutely amazing phone, you probably would need to have a couple of accessories. And in this episode, I'm going to dive into the most essential accessories that I would recommend always having in your bag. Let's dive into it. I love filming my vlogs with my iPhone 17 Pro. It has premium quality, but still you need to have a couple of accessories because after all, it's a smartphone and nothing else. So what you need to have to take really your filming to a complete different level are a couple of not very expensive accessories. The first one that I would absolutely recommend is having a support where you can put your iPhone on a surface a little bit further away from you so that you can film yourself in a stable way. I have here a little tripod from Ulanzi. It's not a very high one, but it's enough actually to put your iPhone somewhere on a table, on a support. And of course, on top, I have the clamp from SmallRig, which is a great one, horizontal and also vertical one. But also you have on the top, which is great, you have a cold shoe adapter if you want to put some accessories on it, like for example, a little light. So this is something very basic that I would absolutely recommend having with you. It's, in addition, very small. You can fold it, put it in your pocket, and that's it. Definitely a must-have. The second thing, which can be an alternative actually to a normal support, is a gimbal. This here is the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, which is a great gimbal. You put your smartphone in it, you have the stabilized shots, but it doubles down as well as a normal tripod because you can just open it, put it somewhere on the surface, and that's it. Plus, it has this extension rod, so you can use it as a selfie camera and do your shots wherever you want. Plus, it has a possibility that it automatically follows you. It has as an accessory a little light as well included. What do you want more? I would say get this one and you will probably not need many other things. If you only want to buy one single accessory, then I would highly recommend that you get a microphone. And here I recommend the DJI Mic Mini, which is a great microphone. Comes with this charging case, with a receiver that you can plug in right away into your iPhone, exactly what I'm doing now. And this tiny microphone actually, you can even put it under your clothes, which I'm doing right away now. And you can hear the sound quality is pristine, outside, inside. It has a great battery life, compatible with your normal camera, with your iPhone, even also with your desktop or laptop computer at home. So that's exactly what you would need to have if you want to have a decent sound. Plus noise cancelling, an app which is giving you a lot of settings, and so much more. If you don't want to go for the DJI ecosystem, then I can highly recommend as well the Hollyland microphones, or eventually also from Rode, the microphones that they have. So definitely get a decent microphone because there is no excuse for bad sound. Then we have another thing. Not always you have a nice light environment, not always the sun will shine, and sometimes you need to film inside, and that's why I highly recommend get one of these LED lights. They fit literally in every pocket, but they are powerful enough also to be used outside. And even if there is no light and you put them discreetly somewhere in a corner, you can see the difference between with light and without light. Plus, in addition, I like to use them to color a little bit my background if I'm filming somewhere. It just makes the difference. Battery powered, lasts usually long enough to film some vlogs. I'm using the SmallRig RM120. Great battery life, great power, not too big. Comes with this silicone cover as well, which is acting like a softbox, and you can put it on each stand. Doesn't add a lot of weight. Just grab one of these and you will be happy with your lights. One of the accessories which are maybe not so obvious, but which are an extremely good investment is, for example, the SmallRig crab-shaped clamp. It's a great small clamp that you can use to attach literally all your accessories, smartphones, lights, or whatever you might have on any support where you can put this clamp on. Works really well, has a good quality. Plus here you put your accessories on, and this is absolutely amazing because it doesn't really add any weight to your camera bag, but it saved my life so many times already, even during professional shootings, and that's why I highly recommend investing the little money actually into this. It will pay off within a couple of shootings, I guarantee you that. So you can see that all these accessories, the microphone, the clamp here, the little support here, the Osmo Mobile, and the light, they don't add so much weight to your luggage. They don't add also budget really, because all these things are not very expensive. Start with a microphone, then add a support, add maybe a clamp, add a gimbal, add some light, and step by step you will come to a setup which is portable but absolutely powerful. I hope this helped. I hope to see you as well in the next video. Until then, you know what you have to do. Share it, like it, follow me, reach out to me, comment in the comment section. Hope to stay tuned. See you very soon again.